Well, now we're going to go straight across to Anup Kumar Mittal, Chairman and Managing Director at NBCC. Mr. Mittal, thank you very much for joining us on NDTV Profit. A pleasure to have you on the channel to review the company's performance in the fourth quarter. It's a bit of a mixed picture, isn't it? Because revenue certainly ahead of estimates, but you know the profit after tax a bit flat. What stood out for you in the fourth quarter?
You see, if you see compare year-on-year revenue growth is about 32%, which is quite encouraging, and it's beyond our estimate of 25%. And as far as profit is concerned, it's about 12% increase year-on-year basis. And this pressure on profit is basically one reason. We have booked some employees benefit cost in this particular financial year, which was pending since a few years. So that is the main reason. Otherwise, company has done well. Once we have, reached a growth in top line, and we do project management consultancy business, so automatically profit should reflect in balance sheet. That is there. But in future, you will see much more profit ahead years.
Margins, what is the kind of level that they will stabilize at, excluding one-off items? So we understand, the one-off items that have played out this year, this quarter, in the fourth quarter, but, what is a normalized EBITDA margin that you can guide us towards?
You see, I think this should be in the range of 7 to 8% of the revenue. And that will be, a fantastic number if we achieve that. And I hope in coming years we'll achieve that.
Let's talk about your order book, sir. Always strong, but if you could just give us a number and a sort of flavor of the kind of projects in that order book, including the quantum of redevelopment projects.
You see, as on date, our outstanding order book is about 35,000 crore rupees. And major projects or landmark projects in this order book is redevelopment of Pragati Maidan ITPO complex, which is about 2,200 crore rupees. Then another project is construction of 2,200 bedded trauma center for AIIMS in Delhi. And apart that, there are a number of projects in pipeline, and particularly from redevelopment segment, the value of which will be around 30 to 40,000 crore rupees orders in pipeline. So I hope by end of this financial year 16-17, our order book should be in the range of 60,000 crore rupees.
Okay, yet you've called off your FPO plans. I understand you're confident about your ability to generate cash internally. Can you flesh out the thinking behind that decision to call off the FPO?
See, as you know that NBCC is mainly in project management consultancy business, where we are not in need of money. Negative working capital is business model. So unless we do aggressive business in real estate segment, we don't need any money. That's why the company decided not to raise money from the market. That's why we have withdrawn our proposal of raising 1,000 crore rupees from market through FPO. And in future also, I don't expect that there will be any requirement of funds. In case there will be, we'll think that time. That is one. Second is, as far as dilution of government stake is concerned, that government has to decide, and timing and numbers, they will, decide on that.
I'm going to come back to your order book, sir, because, there's always such large projects to be considered when we're talking about your order book. Are there any which you have not included into that number that you shared with me of 35,000 crore, but which are likely to translate and enter your order book going forward? Here I'm referring to some large redevelopment projects, sir.
You see, in 35,000 crore rupees order book, we have not included DDA projects, two projects which we are doing about 8,000 crore rupees, and we have not also included redevelopment of 3 colonies which are likely to come in, this financial year. So this 35,000 crore rupees ex DDA and redevelopment projects of government colonies.
Okay, and what is the diversification, of the sort of client base, beyond Delhi government? Do we see the NBCC footprint expanding geographically?
You see, NBCC is, active in all parts of the country. It's not a Delhi-based company. Of course, our headquarters is in Delhi, and being a capital town of country, more redevelopment projects are coming in Delhi with central government, not with Delhi government. But we are having offices in all the states of the, capital of all the states, and equally spread. It's not a Delhi-based company.
Yes, sir, but when you actually break down the order book, given the large chunk of central government projects, which obviously tend to originate out of here, and then you throw in DDA into the mix, it does seem that Delhi ends up dominating in terms of just the order book. But I was just trying to get a sense of whether the opportunities are opening up in other states as well. I do know that your presence is marked there, but whether the order book is also developing there.
Of course, we are doing a number of projects in Bengal with the state government. We are constructing convention center in Calcutta. We are doing affordable housing for Tripura government and Meghalaya government. Similarly, we are doing a lot of projects in Odisha, including affordable housing and hospital. Even we are doing IIT Bhubaneswar also. Similarly, in South also, we are doing 2 medical colleges. Then we are working for paramilitary forces in entire southern states, and in all northeastern states we are present, and we are doing a lot of border fencing and infrastructure projects.
So based on everything that we've discussed today, can you share with me what you consider a realistic revenue growth target and profit growth target that NBCC will be pursuing in the current fiscal, that's FY17?
You see, top line growth we are targeting minimum 25%. It may touch 30% or even more than that. And as far as profit is concerned, definitely there will be growth, but it all depends what kind of projects we execute in this financial year, because all projects have different parameters, profit margins and agency charges, and mainly our profit depends on how much real estate inventory we sell in financial year. So this year's target is for 1,000 crore rupees inventory, which we are thinking we can be able to sell in market.
So finally, as the quantum profile of projects becomes more diverse, more complex, at NBCC, what do you think is going to be your biggest challenge in sort of steering it to maintain the kind of growth rates that you've just spelled out, including 25% revenue growth? What is going to be the biggest challenge this fiscal?
You see, I don't see any difficulty in achieving all these parameters, except one thing, that is performance by our vendors and associates, and I'm quite hopeful that they will do that, and there is no doubt that we will achieve 25% growth in this financial year.
Anup Kumar Mittal, Chairman and Managing Director at NBCC, thank you very much for joining us this afternoon. Always a pleasure to have you here on NDTV.